Good guys, today we're outside on the EBOX Dragster, and today we're gonna be hitting this little private, goddamn truck, little private canyon that's right over here, bro. This is all private, no one's around, bro. We can just rip on it, have some fucking fun on this thing. Oh, the road is so smooth too, bro. Holy shit. Guys, I just wanted to tell y'all, thank y'all so much for all the love that y'all been showing on the videos, man. It's crazy, just my first couple videos are getting like a couple thousand views, and y'all are leaving likes and stuff. It's crazy, dude. And the fact that I have 70 subscribers already, god damn, bro. I actually wouldn't have believed it, man. I literally started my channel like a couple weeks ago. But guys, I am cooking up for you guys. I am trying to cook up, trying to go out to the cities, out to LA and stuff, kick it with some more homies. Just wait, stay tuned. So make sure you subscribe, guys. Up right there. Yeah, I gotta use these pegs more. I always forget about them. This bike is so small, my foot over bar is insane. Okay, let's hit some speed on this Junt. Hit that turn, let's go! Let's go! I'm slipping off the seat, man. Down that whole hill. Jesus. Off-road on the EBOX? Nah, I'll save that for another video. Dope little spot over here. Yes, sir. There's a little dirt trail, a bunch of dirt trails over there actually. Come back here one day on the Talaria. And maybe this thing, you know what I'm saying? It's kind of dirty already.
Right there, not bad, not bad. Oh, this is a fun downhill here.
Allora forse picchia per delle pompate instead of gaining the husband.
Damn, look at that tree, bro. That thing is like tipping over. Woo! Let me know what y'all want me to do in the comments, like go on ride outs and stuff, who I should go ride with, you know, like where I should go ride. I love talking with you guys. It's honestly fun conversating with the viewers. Appreciate you guys watching. You guys could be watching anybody else, but you're watching me right now, so that's insane. I love you guys for that, and I'll catch you guys later.